Launching a website can be exciting yet daunting. Mistakes can cost you valuable time, hard-earned money, and potential customers. Today, we're diving into the top critical mistakes to avoid when launching your new website successfully. First up, thorough testing. This is the foundation of a successful website launch. Click through every page, link, and button. Make sure everything works as expected and leads to the right place. Test on different browsers: Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge. Each browser can render your site differently, so it's crucial to ensure compatibility. Don't forget mobile. Ensure your site looks good on phones and tablets. Mobile users are a significant portion of your audience. Catch broken links and glitches before your audience does. First impressions matter. A smooth, error-free experience keeps visitors coming back. Get friends or colleagues to test it out too. Fresh eyes can catch issues you might have missed. Their feedback is invaluable for refining the user experience. Finally, monitor your website's performance using analytics tools. Track user behavior, page load times, and other key metrics to continuously improve. Next up, mobile optimization. More people browse on phones than ever before. Ensure your website looks and performs well on smaller screens. Make sure your layout adapts to different screen sizes. A smooth mobile experience keeps visitors engaged. Don't lose potential audience due to poor mobile optimization. Chapter 3. SEO starts strong from day one. When launching a new website, it's crucial to have a solid SEO strategy in place right from the beginning. SEO makes your website more visible in search results. This visibility is key to attracting organic traffic, which can lead to more customers and higher sales. It's like setting up the right signage for your shop. Without proper signage, potential customers might pass by without even noticing your store. SEO is an ongoing process, not a one-time thing. It requires continuous effort and regular updates to stay ahead of the competition and maintain your rankings. Integrate keyword research and content optimization from the start. This means identifying the right keywords that your target audience is searching for and creating high-quality content around those keywords. Early effort in SEO pays off in the long run. By investing time and resources into SEO from day one, you set your website up for long-term success, ensuring sustained traffic and growth over time. Chapter 4. Clear call to action. Tell your visitors what to do. When someone lands on your website, they should never be left wondering what to do next. Your call to action tells visitors what to do next. It guides them through the journey you want them to take, whether it's signing up for a newsletter, making a purchase, or contacting you for more information. Make it crystal clear and impossible to miss. A well-designed call to action stands out on the page and grabs attention immediately. Use strong verbs and make buttons stand out. Words like buy now, sign up, or learn more are direct and compelling. Place your call to action prominently. Position it where visitors' eyes naturally go, such as the top of the page or in the center. Ensure visitors know exactly what to do next. Clear instructions and a visually appealing design can significantly increase your conversion rates. By guiding your visitors effectively, you not only enhance their experience, but also drive better results for your business. Chapter 5. Monitoring and analytics. The journey doesn't end at launch. Launching your website is just the beginning. Monitor performance and analyze data. Website analytics provide valuable insights. Use data to make improvements. Continuous improvement ensures your site performs at its best. Outrow launch with confidence. Avoid common mistakes and follow these tips. Your website is an extension of your brand, so make it count. Now go out there and create something amazing.